Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too.
Oh my god, hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're, an old-time subscriber, welcome again. My name is Stephanie Quick. I've never said that in any video. And it's so awkward saying that. Without further ado, today we're going to be installing a hair for the first time. I'm a bit scared and I've been anxious to film this video because I never install my hair by myself. I always go to the salon. But today we got Alipearl 100% unprocessed human hair. It comes pre-plucked. It has like the natural baby hairline. It's like HD flat lace, You don't need to stress. It's literally like ready to put it on and go. But first, let me show you like the content. So it comes like this. It's so cute, I know. Inside we've got the hair, of course. She is 24 inches invincible lace human hair. HD lace, skin melt transparent, you know how we do it. So I want to show you what she looks like. Can you see the inches, baby? 1 second. But yeah, look at her. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited and scared at the same time. I don't know if you guys can tell, like, because I'm also supposed to be somewhere right now. My friend is waiting for me, but I said I want to, challenge myself and install this hair by myself for the first time. Yeah, I'm just trying to get the net from it. She's out. Just take a look at this gorgeous unit. You can see she's HD. Like, I don't even need a wig cap for her. It's like lace way. Huh? It's my hair as far as I'm concerned. Like, don't talk nonsense. So inside it also has a band, to hold the hair, to keep your hair in place. And it has the strap as well. So it's a 13 by 4. I'm the worst with describing hair, but yeah, pardon me. I didn't show you like the other things in the bag. After the wig, we've got a wig cap. I don't even think I'll be needing this because I don't plan to glue it down. I want to do a glueless install because it's faster, and like I said, I've never done a glue down install with myself before, and I don't want to spoil this hair. I love it too much to spoil it. Okay, edge brush control. We've got the band, the Alipearl band. I'll be using this to hold my hair together, so I might as well take it out of that. You can flip it over. It's like black or silver. This is so cool. We've got the mirror, I think. Let's open in the settings. Alipearl for a princess like me. Okay, that's everything that came in the bag. First thing first, for this video, you need to get your edge control brush, and your got to be to sleek your natural hair backward because you don't be wanting glue on your natural hair. We'll use this and this, and we need a blow dryer. Let me check if my blow dryer is here. Got my blow dryer. Let's get into it, but first, cheers. Okay, I need some music, so. After I do that to my hair, I have this dummy head I want to use right before I put her on my head. Let me bring her in the frame so you can see her in HD. Prepping. This is what she looked like. Next thing we'll be using is our hot comb. Very essential. This is the star of the day. Next thing we need is wax stick.
I'm using a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried to pay, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna romp. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Custom fit. I remember when they were taking my orders, They asked me for like my cap size and everything. See how this thing looks even with that. Oh my goodness. Like, it's literally ready to go. It's like just spray it, cut it, and you're outside, you know. Like, wow, the quality, mwah, mwah. I just want to make my part a bit deeper.
And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm doing it like a pro. I'm doing it like I've done it before, but it's my first time. It's my first time cutting my own lace. I never cut my own lace because I'm scared I'll jinx it, like I'll mess it up. But today is the day that we are doing it. Next thing I'm going in with is the glue spray, lace melt spray. So I just want to spray it evenly and then blow dry for a bit. Going carefully because I don't want to mess this up. So I think this is the part I'm scared of the most. I can't even see the lace. Like, I don't even know which is my skin and which is the lace. But I've got a mirror here. Oh my god. So from all the videos I've watched, I know they always say like section it into 3. So start from here, here, and here. Yeah. Once you're able to do that, they say never cut it straight.
Only make me your matter. Make me your matter. Make me your matter.
Guys, I'm doing it.
Show me your side. Make me a pass. Make me a pass. Give me one break. I need faith. Faith to believe you. Faith to receive you. Give me something I'm not. I don't need nothing. You are my
We did it! Back to the middle. I'm breathing like so heavy. Nice. Okay, I think I need to clip this baby all the way like that. Yeah, so I can see what I'm doing. Perfect. I feel I did this side better compared to this side. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oh my god! Ah! You have no idea how pumped I am that I cut this myself. What? Like, where is the lace? There's no lace at all. Period.
When you trust in your honor, you can do the same on your part. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless something you can run to. When I'm finished, you'll be feeling brand new. Wanna be somebody.
See how easy it combs? Like, am I the only one that likes my curly hair fluffy? Like, I really like it fluffy and bouncy. That's why I'm combing it out, because I already used some mousse earlier, as you saw. And I think it's like doing the Lord's work. As you can see, it's like melted.
You want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
People they talk them majesty, about the way your body twisting.
Guys, my phone died earlier, and as you can see, it's nighttime, so I switched to my LED lights. But yeah, I finally installed this hair, even if it's not perfect, because I mean it's my first time. But regardless, I did it, and I hope this inspired somebody out there that if I can do it, you can definitely do it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. I'm actually heading out to go have dinner with my girlfriend, so I'll see you. Bye.
Love yours.